In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo changes in Monday.com. If you've ever made changes to your board and then realized they weren't what you needed, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to retract those changes on Monday.com without any hassle. Let's start by navigating to your board. Open your Monday.com platform and make your way over to the specific board where changes were made. If you're following this along with me, head over to the sample board or your own board that you have in mind. Understanding which board you're working with is crucial, as changes should be undone in the context of the specific board they were made on. Once you're on your desired board, look for the three little dots. You'll typically find these located next to the invite icon on your board's header. These dots are very handy. They reveal extra options for managing your board. Clicking on these allows you to complete a variety of tasks, and today, our focus will be on undoing changes. After you click on these three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you should definitely notice an option labeled Archive Board. This choice is particularly useful when you're making temporary changes or testing different options. Archiving a board saves its information, allowing you the freedom to experiment without permanently affecting your current project setups. Once you've archived your board, the next step is to undo the changes. Now, archiving is typically a preventative action, but let's say you've already made changes that you want to reverse. Right after an action that you might reconsider, you should see an undo option pop up. To finalize undoing your recent change, go ahead and click on Undo. This instantly retracts the last change you made. It's as easy as that. No worries about messing something up. This feature is here to provide peace of mind, allowing you to experiment with confidence and correct any missteps swiftly. Having this functionality at your fingertips is incredibly empowering because it helps maintain the integrity of your board's data by managing and mitigating changes effectively. Remember, working on platforms like Monday.com involves trial and error. It's a dynamic environment, so it's comforting to know that if you do make a mistake, there's always a way to take a step back. Well, that's all for today. With these steps, you can confidently add, change, and experiment with features on Monday.com, knowing you can easily undo any actions that don't fit your project needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.